Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, as everyone knows, we're off-grid, hence the name Cindy Squirrel Off-Grid. And today we installed an air conditioner. Extreme heat warning. We put it in the bottom of one of the windows. 38 degrees here. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit for you guys, but what I did, there's the solar panels. What I did was I waited until the batteries were on float. You can see there, float. So the solar panels are generating that air conditioner. Not one bit is coming from a battery, just the solar panels. I don't know if it'll scroll up. So that air conditioner, you can see the 586, the one that's flashing watts there. That's what it's taking. My batteries are full. And the batteries are still on float. So as long as I shut that air conditioner off before the sun goes away from the solar panels, it should stay, the battery should stay topped up and last all night like they always have.